In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Gmail app on your Android smartphone if it is not opening or if it is not responding. So if you have been trying to open your Gmail app and you can't access your emails, then follow these steps to solve the problem. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to look for settings, and my settings is here. Then tap on it to open. From here, go ahead and look for apps. And from apps, look for the option called Manage Apps. Then this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down and look for the Gmail app. And as you can see, we have the Gmail app here. Tap on it. Now, one of the reasons why we can't access our emails or the Gmail app is misbehaving is because of data. So we want to go ahead and clear data. So if you tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data, and these are files that accumulate on your app whenever you use it, and too many of them will cause the app to malfunction. So we want to clear this cache, and to clear the cache, all you need to do is to tap on clear data here, and then choose the option called clear cache. From here, tap on OK. And now you can see the cache has been reduced to 0. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and then it should just work fine. Now, in case that didn't solve your problem, then you have to take the next step, which is to update your app. Now, to do that, go to Play Store and then look for your app. For my case, I don't have any update, but if you have any update or new version, it will be written here, update. So go ahead and update your Gmail app and then try and open it, and this time around, it should just work fine. But should you still experience any problem, then you have to go to the next step, and that is uninstalling the app completely and then install it afresh. So by using this uninstall button, go ahead and uninstall it, and then come back to Play Store and install it afresh. And then you will have solved everything or any challenge that you are experiencing on your Gmail mobile app. So that's how you troubleshoot your Gmail mobile app that is misbehaving or is not responding. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.